Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how I have my Evo Mini 4 pole set up for window cleaning and why I like it. Okay, first of all, what I'll go for is the brush I use on all my poles. What I use is this. It's a 25cm DuPont brush, rectangle brush, and these are absolutely brilliant. There's a rinse bar which is located inside the actual brush itself, and it's sat in a recess so you won't scratch any windowsills when using this. I have the brush connected onto the Gardener's Type 1 goosenecks. This is the short arm one, and I like the swivel goosenecks, as you've probably noticed. I use a quick lock system, so I can just undo the fittings for the hoses, and then all I've got to do is press down on this metal press stud. When I press that in, the brush will come off the actual gooseneck using this fitting. On the brush itself then, I've obviously got the Gardener fitting on there and swapped it over with the X-Line one. That way I can change the brushes around, whether it be the flocked or the DuPont one. Very easy to change around on the system. Fast and efficient, so it gets you through the day as quick as you can. Right, if I undo this clamp, I can remove the actual gooseneck off the pole. I've got Exceed Innovations univalve, an absolute top brilliant bit of kit. Can make the difference between going home and filling up or not sometimes. Also, what's attached to it is the tubeless system from Exceed Innovations. This is the pole kit. Just look on their website and you'll see videos on how to attach that as well. Also have the hose kit as well for your main hose, so that I can basically use the pod to connect to the fitting on the pole hose, just like that. Very easy to use to connect and disconnect, so you can set up fast and pack away faster as well. I find using the Hoseless system really good at keeping my van nice and tidy. Like I've already mentioned before, it speeds up your setting up and packing away time. When you're doing this about 20 times a day, you'll be surprised at how much it all adds up. The Evo Mini 4 is a 4-foot pole, but it does collapse down to a 2-foot pole. This is really good when you're working in them really tight to get to windows, because there's a fence that's right next to you, or a bush or something that's in the way. It allows you to see the window head on, so you can see all the nooks and crannies, as opposed to making do with your long foot pole and having to stand off some distance, and you can't always see the whole of the window, so you have to keep moving to check it. All these little things, like I said before, help you save time. Also, with the Evo Mini 4, it's absolutely excellent for lower floor windows. If you've been working on upper windows all day, ones at funny angles, doing fascia swappers and gutters, your shoulders take a hit. Going to a nice little small light pole helps your shoulders and can get you through a really busy week. So in summary then, the Evo Mini 4, absolute great pole, good for ground floor work. Gets you into some really tight spaces as well, like I've said before, when you've got fences or bushes next to you. Great little addition to have in your van, and it's very lightweight, good at helping save your shoulders on them really tough weeks. Right, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.